Alright, so today what we are looking at is the SCA 2023 mathematics solution. These are my solutions. So question number 1 states, write the numeral for 91,005 in words. So it's NINETY ONE THOUSAND AND FIVE. Number 2 states, arrange the numbers below in descending order. We know descending order is from the largest to the smallest. So we'll begin with 3,612, 3,216, 3,162, and 3,126. Number 3 states, write 2 and 3/8 as an improper fraction. So to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we need to take the whole number multiplied by the denominator. That answer you get, you add the numerator and you put that all over the denominator. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 add 3 is 19, so our answer is 19 over 8. Moving on now to number 4. Number 4 states, divide 628 by 12. So 628 divided by 12, we'll get a quotient of 52 and a remainder of 4. So it could be 52 remainder 4, or 52 and 4 over 12, which can reduce to 1/3. So you'll have 52 and 1/3, or 52.33 recurring. Number 5, we have 8 squared plus 6 squared. So to work this out, we need to square numbers. To square a number, you need to multiply the number by itself. So 8 multiplied by 8 is 64, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. Number 6, we have around 15,296 to the nearest thousand. Whenever we are rounding to the nearest thousand, we look at the thousands value as well as the hundreds value. If the hundreds value is more than 5 or equal to 5, we add 1 to the thousands value. If the hundreds value is less than 5, we leave the thousands value the same. In this case, the hundreds value is 2, which is less than 5, so we leave the thousands value the same, and all the numbers on the right hand side we replace with zeros. So we'll get 15,000. Number 7, we have Max ate 5 cherries, which were 1/9 of the total number of cherries he picked. How many cherries did Max pick? So we know we have a quantity and the fraction it is equal to. So to calculate the whole or the total, we take the quantity given and multiply it by the invert of the fraction. So we get 5 over 1 multiplied by 9 over 1, and we'll get 45. So to write the total value of the bills and the coins shown below. So 20 at 20 is 40, at 5 is 45, at 1 is $46.05. Said calculate 15% off 120. We know off means to multiply. So and a percentage is out of 100. So we put 15 over 100 multiply by 120 over 1, and we'll get 18. Number 10. Number 10 has write the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 in the squares below to create an addition problem with the largest sum. So therefore we need to know place value. So we need to place the 4 in the highest place value there, which is in the 10th position, as well as the 3, which is the second highest number that will go in the 10th position, then the 2 and the 1. So we'll get 42 plus 31, which should give us 73. Number 11, a part of a calendar for the month of April is shown below. They said on what day of the week is the 2nd of April. So all we need to do is to work backwards. They gave us 10, so we count backwards, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we'll realize the 2nd is on Sunday. That is the day. Number 12, a total mass of a pineapple and a pawpaw is shown on the scale below. The mass of the pineapple is 2.75 kilograms. Said what is the mass of the pawpaw in grams? So we know the total mass from the scale is 3.5 kilograms. So therefore the pawpaw weighs 3.5 kilograms. Take away the 2.75 kilograms and we'll end up with 0.75 kilograms. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So to convert kilograms to grams, we're moving from a larger to a smaller, so we multiply by 1000. So we'll get 750 grams. Number 13 said the identical cubes are packed into a box as shown below. How many cubes are in the box? So we count the first row, we'll get 20, and remember it's stacked one on top of the other, so it's 20 multiplied by 2, which is 40. Number 14, calculate the difference in the length between the eraser and the pen. Difference means to subtract. So first we calculate the length of the pen. The pen, now to calculate the length, what we do is to take the value at which the pen ends and take away the value in which it starts. So it's 17 take away 6, which is 11 centimeters, the length of the pen. The eraser now, same thing, we'll say 4 take away 1, and that will give us 3. The difference between the two is 11 take away 3, which is 8. Number 15, the pyramid shown below has a square base. How many edges of the pyramid have a length of 6 centimeters? So we know edges, the number of edges in the pyramid that has 6 centimeters, we can count it, it's 4. Alright, that's the one going from the base of the square to the apex. Alright, the arrow below is pointing to B. The arrow moves 3/4 turns in a anti-clockwise direction. To which letter is the arrow now pointing? So from B anti-clockwise, we're going backwards, so you turn 1, 2, 3, it will be pointing at C. They said name the type of triangle shown below. The triangle, we realize that all 3 sides are not equal, so therefore it is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has no equal sides, no equal edges, angles. Alright. Number 18, they said the table below shows the shoe sizes of some students. They said which shoe size represents a modal. Modal means the most common. And looking at the table there, we saw that the most common means the most number of students wearing that size is 12. And the shoe size for the 12 people is shoe size 7. Number 19, calculate the mean of the numbers below. Mean is average, so first we need to calculate the sum of the numbers. So 32 plus 14 plus 24 plus 0 plus 5 will give us 75. We have 5 numbers there, so we say 75 divided by 5, which is equal to 15. And number 20, the incomplete tally chart below shows the pets owned by students. So they said complete the tally chart to show the number of students who own dogs. Alright, so dogs now is 12, so therefore we have 2 groups of 5 and 2 individual strokes. Alright, so that's it for section 1 in the 2023 solution.